she's disengaging now.
I'm the one that walks her.
That dog is. That dog is.
Very good. She wants to move forward, but she's not doing. There's the
That intensity.
Yep. So I would go ahead and ask her to move away.
Come here.
Very good.
Good girl. Good girl.
Very nice. Very good. So maybe loop her like kind of like towards the rock, but go to the tree.
Okay. Let's go this way, Lilu. Good girl.
I mean, she gets very intense, but she's very quick to redirect also,
Yeah.
which is good. She says the dog. All right. So now you can aim for me.
Good girl. Let's go. Lilu, let's go.
How about this lady? Very good. All right. So we're close enough now that if you give her the line and let her approach, I'd like to see what she does.
Okay.
So when she's ready to move, we'll.
Yep. Lilu. What you doing?
She says we couldn't possibly be saying hello to that dog, could we?
Yeah, right? We're not. Well, maybe we are.
Very good.
Okay.
So why don't, instead of walking straight towards it, walk just off to the side and see if
Let's go.
she takes the opportunity. Yes. Go ahead and give it to her. She's not going to hurt the stuffed dog.
I know. She's
Very good. All right.
Sniff it.
Very tentative. So she approaches with the more appeasement posture and then very much like stretched out.
Yes.
And then after contact, she wants to disengage.